Hey people, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, hit that button and make sure you follow me on Instagram at WheelsGuns&Shoes for all the latest updates. In this video, I purchased two pairs of shoes, the SB New York to Paris and the SB LA to Chicago. Both are Nike brand and both are Air Jordan 1s. These are my first Air Jordan 1s, I should say, that I actually really liked. These are collaboration with the Nike skateboarding division. I purchased size 11. I would grow true to size with these. Here's the quick unboxing of both pairs. I purchased the New York to Paris for retail through the Foot Action app. Unfortunately, I couldn't purchase the LA to Chicago, the ones I really wanted. I had to pay hype prices, which was $350. The reason I did that is because I was trying to do an unboxing video and post this video as soon as possible, but unfortunately was not able to do due to some iCloud issues. The only real difference between the two, as I was unboxing, was the QR code compared to the barcode. The New York to Paris's had the QR code, while the LA to Chicago had the older style barcode. Here you can tell it comes with 3 laces. Both pairs come with 3 laces. That's what it looks like when you actually first open it. They got that little cardboard piece in there for the toe. Here's both pairs with the laces. For some reason, my New York to Paris's didn't have the gray shoelaces attached to what it was supposed to be attached to, but it's not a big deal. Here I'm showing you the barcode. Well, this one is the QR code on the New York to Paris's right here. And then here is the barcode. Both were released at the same time, so I was a little confused about that. I wonder if other people's are the same way. Let me know in the comments. Other than that, I mean, now the leather quality, I'm just checking out. Great leather quality. I can really see these being like an everyday shoe, which is great. And that is the unboxing of both pairs. Here are the shoes complete. After I took off the paint, I used an alcohol and water solution. I did not use acetone like everybody else is using. I think that will have a longevity problem. It will keep wearing. Now, after I did the water and alcohol solution, I wiped the whole shoe down with water. Just like water on a rag, and wiped it down. As you guys can see, I only did the left shoe. That's the only one I wanted to do. These are the laces I ended up going with that I like the best in each shoe, and I do have a video of all the shoes, of all the laces, I'm sorry, which I will show now. Ultimately, the color laces I decided to go with in the left shoe, the side that I ended up giving the taking off the paint on, was the purple for the LA to Chicago and the tan or peach with the New York to Paris's. I think those ended up looking the best. Let me know in the comments which color you guys preferred with the laces. And honestly, this is also a giveaway. I'm going to be doing both pairs. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then make sure you also follow me on Instagram. And once I get 5,000 subscribers, I will randomly choose a winner, and that winner will be getting both pairs of shoes. Thanks again, and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.